Okay, this is kind of weird, but wootmoo is a non-member now. If you guys don't know, he's a non-member. I'll tell you, he's a non-member. He's now a non-member. He still has his horn. I think that's his glove. And my others. He said he still has more than those stuff. Like, I have these balls. So much other stuff. Whatever he's on, these people are like screaming. And I got scammed too. I got scammed by someone, my lion plushie, the small one. But whatever. So thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. So I think that's a 5. Yep. And you, I got your red pot that you wanted, and it's right there. So buddy me, the buddy request is on, and so I think that's it. So